Do you feel like your life is stuck in a rut, with change always seeming just out of reach? The truth is, you have the power to initiate immediate changes in your life, but it requires more than just a wishful mindset. It involves a strategic approach to changing your reality from the inside out. Let's explore a strategy that can lead to significant and immediate changes in your life. The foundation of this strategy lies in understanding that change begins within you. Your external circumstances are a reflection of your internal state. Therefore, to alter your reality, you need to first change the way you think and feel about yourself and your situation. This begins with cultivating a clear vision of the change you want to see in your life. Be specific about what you desire. For example, if you want a new career, define what that looks like in detail, what kind of job you want, the environment you wish to work in, and the type of people you want to be surrounded by. Visualization is a powerful tool in this process. Create a mental image of your desired outcome as vividly as possible. Assume not just the end result, but also the journey to achieving it. Feel the emotions associated with reaching your goal. If you're visualizing a new career, picture yourself in your ideal workplace, engaging in tasks that bring you satisfaction. The more detailed and emotionally charged your visualization, the more real it becomes in your mind. Equally important is the practice of affirmations. These are positive statements that reinforce your belief in your ability to achieve your goals. Construct affirmations that reflect your desired reality. For instance, if you're aiming for a new job, you might use affirmations like, "I am excited and successful in my new role," or "My ideal job is now a reality." Repeat these affirmations regularly to keep your mind focused on your goals and to shift your subconscious beliefs. Another crucial aspect of making immediate changes is to address and overcome any limiting beliefs you may hold. These are the negative thoughts and assumptions that can hinder your progress. Reflect on your beliefs and identify any that might be holding you back. Challenge these beliefs by replacing them with positive, empowering ones. For example, if you believe that you're not qualified for a better job, replace that thought with, "I have the skills and experience needed for my ideal job, and I am worthy of it." Taking gratitude is a practice that can accelerate your journey toward change. By focusing on what you are grateful for, you shift your mindset from one of lack to one of abundance. This shift attracts more positive experiences into your life. Make it a habit to regularly acknowledge and appreciate the good things you have. This could be as simple as keeping a gratitude journal where you list things you're thankful for each day. Ever felt stuck in a rut, yearning for a significant change in your life? Whether it's a new career, a loving relationship, or financial abundance, the key to unlocking these desires lies not in external circumstances, but within the realm of your mind. You possess an innate power, a creative force capable of shaping your world according to your will. Soon waking up tomorrow to a reality that aligns perfectly with your dreams. It might sound like a fantasy, but it's a tangible possibility. The power to manifest your desires rapidly is within your grasp. You hold within you a force capable of shaping your world according to your will. The secret lies in understanding that your consciousness is the sculptor of your experience. What you focus on, what you believe, and how you feel all contribute to the fabric of your life. By mastering your thoughts, you gain dominion over your circumstances. Let go of the notion that external factors dictate your destiny. Instead, recognize that you are the captain of your ship, navigating through the vast ocean of possibilities. Your imagination is your compass, guiding you towards the shores of your heart's desires. Visualize your desired outcome as if it's already a reality. Immerse yourself in the emotions associated with it. Allow yourself to bask in the sensations of fulfillment, joy, and peace. This mental rehearsal primes your subconscious mind for manifestation, drawing your desires closer to fruition. The universe is a mirror reflecting your inner world. When you cultivate positivity, gratitude, and faith, the external world responds in kind. Challenges are not roadblocks but opportunities for growth and variation. Think of them as stepping stones towards your ultimate goals. Persistence is paramount. Keep your focus unwavering, even when faced with doubt or setbacks. Your desires are seeds planted in the fertile soil of your mind. With consistent nurturing, they will inevitably blossom into reality. Trust in the intelligence of the universe. It knows your path better than you do. Surrender to the flow and allow the magic of manifestation to unfold in its perfect timing. You are a divine being capable of creating miracles. Unleash your inner power and watch as your dreams become your reality. The world awaits your brilliance. Your imagination is not merely a playground for daydreams, it's the architect of your reality. Every thought, every image you conjure is a blueprint for your life. This isn't just a concept, it's a fundamental law of the universe. Your brain doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's thought. When you vividly assume something, your body responds as if it's already happening. This physical reaction sends powerful signals to the universe, attracting circumstances, people, and events that align with your vision. The key to rapid manifestation lies in the quality of your imagination. It's not just about seeing the outcome, it's about feeling it deeply. When you immerse yourself in the emotions of your desired reality, you're sending a more potent signal. It's like tuning a radio. The clearer the signal, the stronger the reception. To accelerate this process, practice what is often called assumption. Assume your desire is already a fact. Live as if it's true. Walk, talk, and feel as if you already possess what you seek. It might sound counterintuitive, but it's a game changer. By assuming the end result, you're aligning your energy with the desired outcome, making it easier for the universe to deliver. The world outside is a reflection of your inner world. If you're filled with doubt and fear, that's what you'll attract. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, gratitude, and faith. Believe in the infinite possibilities, and most importantly, be patient. Manifestation is a process, not a magic trick. Enjoy the journey and trust that your desires are unfolding in perfect timing. The key to rapid manifestation is to combine vivid imagination with deep-seated belief. Feel the emotions of your desired reality as if it's happening now. Assume it's true and live accordingly. Maintain a positive mindset and trust in the universe's timing. By following these principles, you're setting the stage for extraordinary variations in your life. Action is another key element in creating immediate change. While mental and emotional alignment are crucial, they must be accompanied by tangible steps toward your goals. Identify practical actions you can take that will bring you closer to your desired outcome. If you're seeking a new job, update your resume, reach out to potential employers, and prepare for interviews. Taking consistent, focused actions demonstrates your commitment to achieving your goals and creates momentum in your favor. Expectancy is a powerful mindset that can greatly influence your ability to manifest change. Cultivate a sense of expectancy by believing that your goals are on their way to you. This belief creates a positive vibration that aligns with your desires. When you expect good things to happen, you remain open to opportunities and are more likely to take inspired actions that lead to success. Consistency in practicing these strategies is essential for achieving immediate results. Make visualization, affirmations, and gratitude a daily practice. Even on days when you might feel discouraged, maintaining these practices helps keep you aligned with your goals. Consistency strengthens your mental and emotional state, making it easier for you to manifest the changes you desire. Lastly, it's important to practice self-care and maintain a positive attitude. Your overall well-being influences your ability to manifest change. Engage in activities that uplift and rejuvenate you, whether it's exercising, meditating, or spending time with loved ones. A healthy, positive state of mind enhances your manifestation efforts and helps you attract more of what you want into your life. In summary, initiating immediate life changes involves a combination of clear intention, vivid visualization, affirmations, overcoming limiting beliefs, practicing gratitude, taking actionable steps, cultivating expectancy, and maintaining consistency. By aligning your mind, emotions, and actions with your goals, you set the stage for rapid variation in your life. Your inner state shapes your outer reality, and with these strategies, you can harness that power to create the changes you desire. If this guide to creating immediate life changes resonated with you, please take a moment to like this video. Subscribing to our channel will ensure you stay updated with more practical tips and insights. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these strategies, and leave a comment below to share your experiences or thoughts. We would love to hear how these methods have worked for you. Lastly, don't forget to hit the notification bell to receive updates on future content that can further support your journey. Thank you for tuning in, and here's to the positive changes you're about to create in your life.